Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio, and my tweezers were the focus point for my camera, so they're sitting there on the 14 by 14 inch canvas surrounded by Sherwin Williams white latex paint in satin finish. You'll find all the colors for everything. I'm a Colour Arte affiliate, so you'll find Prizm pours and Primary Elements and colors underneath the description, or in the description underneath the video, along with a 20% off Colour Arte coupon code and a 10% off Pixel Paint Designs coupon code. So I'm going to try, I'm going to let those things meld a little bit. And then I'm going to try and put some foliage colors around the outside areas of my canvas and finish with some blooms, and I'm not sure if they're all going to get wrecked or just some of them are going to get wrecked, but I wish I'd done that before you got here. So I'm going to spread that to the edge because I don't like gaps. Even if it takes time, it's worth it. I don't think I'm going to have to worry about any of those. Throw that in the bucket. Now I've got new colors. I've got Primary Elements Fairy Tale set of 12. Let's start with some Alexandrite. I'm going to have it joined with some Amethyst Queen, another one of the new colors. Which I may add more down the line. Here's some Frog Prince. These are all Primary Elements from the Fairy Tales collection, except for the Royal Sapphire. And in a moment I'm going to add some Fandango, but until then it's Burmese red, which I'm totally smitten with, as you might imagine. Could put some gold in there. You know what? I'm going to put some gold in there. This is Mayan gold. Not sure what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. So here is a Fandango. Put a little bit more Royal Sapphire in there. Grab my black, Amsterdam black, and Aussie Floetrol. I thought about using, and I'm going to try it at least in one, the Boom Gel, the violet, the pearlescent violet, if it'll come out, which it doesn't feel like it wants to because it's got a plug in the end, that's why. So we'll try that. I could have tried the teal, that would have been okay too. Well, I like how the violet looks. I think I'm going to use a little bit more. I might want another flower or another set of wreckable blooms right over here. Frog prints, think I didn't say Alexandrite, but I should have. And Amethyst Queen. Oh, I thought I didn't add cell activator, and I was wrong. Okay. Wow, wait till I catch my breath. Wow. Okay. Good thing I got good lung power. I'm going to make some short work of my wrecking. And I forget that I have to take things out of the way if I want to spin before I put my flowers in. So hopefully there'll be space for that. I'm going to give a brief spin for the foliage. That's perfect. That's absolutely perfect. And that way I can spin with the flowers too. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? My paint's not all the way to the edge, so there's plenty of room to spin out. I might want a picture of just that, so I'll try and straighten that out for you. Okay, so the colors I wanted to use are pretty simple. They're Jasmine. That one might be too close. And Sour Lemon with a little bit of orange crush added, but it could be any kind of orange, I think. I used to use the unicorn spit. I'm going to try not to blow these out too hard because I don't want to dredge up any of the white base. And I might, after I blow them, I might tip this way to get some paint to move that way. I'm going to turn that around. Prizm straw. Well, I might have blown that one too hard, but I kind of like the white in it anyway. So that's pretty simple, and outside of putting more flowers in, I think what I want to do is see what happens when I tip a little bit. And I might not like it. I think they're going to go right off the end is what I think is going to happen. So let's just take a picture of the pretty flowers before I warp the heck out of them. Oh, there goes my Jasmine. Excuse me. I probably could have spun more, and I guess I should have. But we'll find out what happens in a minute. They're still pretty colors. And they're expanding nicely. Wow. I like them. That's nice. Good to know. They're very surreal. Oh, wow. They're really cool. I think I'm going to blow a little bit more. Right there. Right there. Yeah, I like the way they're canted. Not sure about that 100%. And I hope that I have spun enough paint off. But that's exactly what I was thinking I was going to get, strangely enough. Sometimes a thing is just meant to be. So minor adjustments. And I will torch briefly. And I've got all kinds of time left. I'll be doing this again, a variation on the theme. I love how the foliage, the wrecked blooms made the foliage is just perfect. And I love my blooms. A little surreal, but still just the same. So, thank you guys for being here. I have 29 lists of 100 videos. Every time I blow in, I find a new color and I want to keep them. I hope it doesn't crack. I really do. I hope I blew it out far enough. So I'm going to get down there and try and shimmer this at you. Simple. I love the purple of the pearlescent boom gel, which reminds me, there is a Colourarte coupon code for 20% and a boom gel, a Pixel Paint Designs boom gel and Pebeo paints and Australian Floetrol coupon code for 10% off. All right, check that out. That's a beauty. That's exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy. I mean, there's no way that I can quit tweaking things that I want. Ever so gently. I don't think I can be sorry. They're so surrealistic now, it doesn't matter. So please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. When you watch them longer, you help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much for your kindness and your donations through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And if you'd like to become a member, it's $9.99 a month, and you have access to over 110 videos for members only. My Amazon link is on the link tree underneath Show More. Under the description of the video, you'll find my paint pouring recipe. Spring Clothing is the clothing right under the video, but there's also Le Gallerist, Society 6, Pixels.com, Firenet America. On my link tree, you're going to also find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation, or some variation on that theme that I always forget. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I do sell my artwork, and I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Your comments are welcome. Your questions are welcome. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you come again. I'll be here waiting for you pretty much every day. And I love you much. You inspire me always. Thank you guys so much for being here. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery. I love you so much. Bye for now. Priscilla out.